morning friends. SL Police Squad. At the last class we discussed about the Euclid's theorem and Euclid's lemma. Yes or no? In the last class we discussed what is the Euclid's lemma and what is the uses of Euclid's algorithm. Today we solve some question of exercise 1.1 from the book NCERT book. The question is, so that any positive odd integer is of the form 62 plus 1 or 62 plus 3 or 62 plus 5 where you use some integers. Understood? So we have to prove it that any positive odd integer, just you know what is the odd integers? A number that can't completely divisible by 2 is known as the odd integer. Just like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 3. Yes or no? So we have to prove it. Its number is written in the form 62 plus 1, 62 plus 3 or 62 plus 5. We use solve for the question Euclid's theorem. So the question start at first we know let A be a positive integer. By Euclid's theorem we know and B is equal to 6 because we have to prove it 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. So we take B is equal to 6. Then the possible values of R, at first we know write it as a Euclid's lemma by Euclid's lemma. A is equal to 6q plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 6. You know the remainder is always less than the linear or more than or equal to 0. So the all possible values of R 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or R8. This one when R is equal to 0. So thus A is equal to 6q plus 0 or we write it A is equal to 6q plus 1. Let us equation 1. Sorry. 6q. The equation 1. Now we get what is the multiples of 6? 6 into q is an even number. Yes or no? I know every even number multiplied by any integer, any positive integer, we get a even number. We did in the last class or previous class. So A is equal to 6q is an even number. Yes or no? And the another case 2. When R is equal to 1, then A is equal to what? A is equal to 6q plus R. When R is here 1, so 6q plus 1. What is this? This is odd number. Why it is odd? Because multiples of 6 added by 1 is an odd number. The result is always odd. Just 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 6 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 30. 6 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 19. It is all of the odd numbers. And the case third, when R is equal to 2, then A is equal to 6q plus 2. It is even. Understood? The equation number third. This third is 4. When r is equal to 3, then a is equal to 6 cube plus 3. Is that code number? Yes, clear? Equation number 4. When r is equal to 4, then a is equal to 6 cube plus 4. It is an even number and the equation number is 5. When r is equal to 5, then a is equal to what? We know a is equal to 6 cube plus r. A is equal to 6 cube and the value of r is at 5. You know multiples of 6 adding with the odd integer, the result is 4. So it is also 4. Now in the equation number 6, what do you do here? In equation 1, 6 cube plus 1, a is equal to 6 cube and even. A is equal to 6 cube plus 1, 4. A is equal to 6 cube plus 2, even. A is equal to 6 cube plus 3, 4. A is equal to 6 cube plus 5, even. And a is equal to 6 cube plus 5. Now we get, the question is, so that any positive odd integer is of form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, we will choose some integer. Now we look at a is equal to 6 cube plus 1 in the form of odd integer, a is equal to 6 cube plus 3 is an odd integer, and a is equal to 6 cube 5 is also an odd integer. So we conclude writing. Hence, from the equation 2, 3, 2, 4 and 6. We can say any positive odd integer is of the form of 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where cube is some integer. Okay? Again, we look this question in the solution of the question. Question is, so that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is some integer. It means any positive odd integer इस फॉर्म में होता है 6 cube plus 1 में हो, 6 cube plus 3 में हो या फिर 6 cube plus 5 में हो. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we get, because we know unit lemma 6 cube plus a is equal to b cube plus r, and we take a be a positive integer and b is equal to 6. The unit lemma a is equal to 6 cube plus r. और possible values of r 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, because the r is always between 0 and integer. Case 1, when r is 0, then a is equal to 6 cube. When r is equal to 1, then r is equal to 6 cube plus 1. When r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 6 cube plus 2. When r is equal to 3, a is equal to 6 cube plus 3. Only replace the value of r from the given lemma. Yes or no? Then we get a is equal to 6 cube plus 4 and a is equal to 6 cube plus 5. From equation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 we get a is equal to 6 cube is an even number, a is equal to 6 cube plus 2 is even, and a is equal to 6 cube plus 4 is even. Another question, the question is written in the form of another form, so that any positive even integer is the form 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4 or 6 cube plus 6 or the 6 cube. Okay? Where q is some integer, you can solve that question by the same process in the another form. You take equation 1, equation 3 and equation 5 in your solution. Okay? It's okay for today? For this question? No? Now we take another question of this chapter. And the next question, question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army member. 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to be marched in the same number of columns. So what is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? The question is, the total members 616. That group, there is a 2 column and the 1 column has the 32 members in a parade. Then we get the maximum numbers of columns. What is the question? Or what is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So according to the solution, maximum number of columns is equal to HCF of 616 and 13. This type of question we solve in the class 6 or 7. But we have to prove it, we have to find maximum of column HCF 616 and 32 by the process of Euclid's algorithm. Understood? In the last class, we discussed about how can we find the HCF of any two numbers by the Euclid's algorithm. Here we get two numbers 616 and 32. Let A is equal to 616 and B is equal to 32. Then by the Euclid's algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay. So when A is equal to 616 and B is equal to 32, then 616 is equal to 32 into what? What is the value of Q? So we find it 616 divided by 32. The one times 32, there is 9 and there is 296. 9 times. And to the 18 and to the 27, 128. 16 minus 28 and there is nothing. 616 into 32 into 19 plus 8. Okay? Here R is equal to 8. That is not equal to 0. Again, A is equal to 32 and B is equal to 8. So 32 is equal to 8 into 4, 8 4 is 32, 8 into 4 plus 0. Then here R is equal to 0. So HCF of 616 and 32 is 8. And also you write it maximum number of column is equal to 8. Answer. Finish. Okay? Again, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members. How many members? Total number 632 and one band have 32 members. Now the two groups are to be marched in the same numbers of column. There is a two group that march in the column. What is the maximum number of column in which they can march? You know, when any two contingent have the maximum and to the maximum number of columns, we get the HCF of that number. Then the result is maximum number of columns is equal to HCF of 616 and 32. By the Euclid's algorithm, that A is equal to 616 and B is equal to 32. By the Euclid's algorithm said any two number A and B have two another number represent B Q and R, where A is equal to BQ plus R. When A is equal to 616 and B is equal to 22, then we get Q is equal to 9 and R is equal to 8. When R is not equal to 0, so there is not HCF is completed. In the next step, again A is equal to 32 and B is equal to 8. We get relationship between 32 and 8. A is equal to 32 and B is equal to 8. So 32 is equal to 8 into 4 plus R, there R is equal to 0. Then HCF of 616 and 32 is 8. Also we know maximum number of column is equal to HCF of 616 and 32. So we write it, hence maximum number of column is equal to 8 is the answer. Understood? Okay. Let's meet in the next video. And you do some work for this chapter. Then your homework is you can try to solve question number 4 and 5. The chapter 1.1. Again, if you have any question, then you tell me on my WhatsApp number 7050343711. Okay? Send your problem by the PDF from